Hello, everyone, and good day. Hopefully today finds you well. I will spend a couple minutes looking at a math concept that you're going to find you already understand. So I'll just say a couple of words is all, and let you get on with what you're doing. We will be solving inequalities today that look like this. Inequalities where there's a variable here and there's two numbers or two operations, or we call them two steps required to get it so that you have x all by itself. So in order to undo all this, this is 2 times a number minus 4 is less than or equal to 18. The whole point is try to figure out what can the x numbers be for that to work. And if you're guessing and wondering and you have thoughts, you're right. Solving this inequality is the exact same process as solving a two-step equation. It's exactly the same. So if it doesn't feel like there's much to learn today, that's correct. You'll find that you already know how to do this. You start by undoing any add or subtract first, so that 2x's are less than or equal to 14. And then to finish it off, divide both sides by 2, so that x, just 1x, less than or equal to 7. And that's the process. That's all there is to it, as it were. What if it looks like this? Negative 2x minus 22 is greater than or equal to 18. What if we have that? Well, first of all, undo the add and subtract, and then undo the multiplication. So we'll add 22 to both sides. So this goes to 0. I'm left with just negative 2x greater than or equal to 40. And then to get x all by itself, we divide by negative 2. So x is all by itself to negative 20. Your calculator will give you that. Remember, when we multiply or divide by a negative, that's the opposite. So we have to use the opposite inequality. So this works for every number where x is less than or equal to negative 20. So what if x is like negative infinity? 2 times negative infinity and then a little more. Is that, the negative infinity times a negative, that makes it positive. So we're like at positive infinity minus 20. Is that bigger than 18? Yes, it is. So we did it right. I could do it with 0. 0 doesn't work here. And if you put 0 in there, 0 doesn't work there either. Just a way to quickly check your work. And finally, one last example. 12 minus 3/5 x being greater than 39. To resolve that, if we minus 12 from both sides, because it's a positive 12 here, so we have negative 3/5 x is greater than, when we solve that on our calculator, it's 27. Then this negative 3/5 is multiplied on, so we divide off negative 3/5. And x, we have to flip the inequality because we did a negative, so now it's greater than whatever your calculator gives you for that. So 27, well, just to make sure it looks clear, 27 divided by the fraction negative 3/5. Negative 45. So x is less than negative 45. And that's the work of today. Really just the same thing you've already done with the equations. Just now there's an inequality symbol in there. Remember to flip the inequality if you have a negative that's multiplied or divided on. But other than that, you should be good to go. So well done, good job, and hope you enjoyed this short little show. We'll end before 5 minutes and have a great day.